Something is changing in visual communication, and most design students don't see it coming. For decades, graphic design was about mastering tools, Photoshop, Illustrator, layout systems, typography, but today, AI can generate logos, brand kits, posters, packaging mockups in seconds. In 2023, generative AI tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT reached over 100 million users within months. Major companies are already using AI to produce marketing visuals, ads, and social media content faster and cheaper than ever before. This isn't a prediction. It's happening right now. The problem is not that design is dying. The problem is that the old way of learning design is dying. Studying only software is no longer enough. Execution is becoming automated. What remains valuable is thinking. And here's what the industry is demanding now. First, strategic thinking. Designers who understand branding, psychology, storytelling, and business. Second, AI collaboration skills. Not fighting AI, but directing it. Third, system thinking. Designers who can build design systems, brand ecosystems, and digital experiences, not just single posters. And that's only the beginning. According to the World Economic Forum, nearly 44% of workers' skills will be disrupted within the next few years due to the technological change. Creative industries are not immune. So how do you guarantee your future? Your higher education must go beyond software training. Your degree must include strategy, technology, AI literacy, business fundamentals, interdisciplinary collaboration, and real industry exposure. Because the future designer is not just a creator, they are a problem solver, a strategist, a multidisciplinary creative. And that's exactly why AMDT School of Creativity has built a future-ready visual communication program designed for the current generation to survive and lead in the future. The future will not replace designers, it will replace unprepared designers. The question is, which one will you be?